Hi, I'm excited to share this donut shaker card with you in this video. The download link is in the description below. There are two SVG files. One is a donut card and one is the box SVG. After downloading the file on your computer, choose and upload the donut file to Design Space. I'm gonna ungroup it to show you all the layers. There are chocolate topping layer, pink topping layer, yellow topping, an oval frame for the donut shaker. The gray oval is acetate sheet, donut card base, and two side panels for the shaker. No need to do anything here, just click Make It to Card. We have cut out all the elements. We should have the donut base, the frame, two side panels, one acetate, and 3 layers of the donut topping. Now let's put it together. First, grab the 2 side panels and use a pen to curl them. There's a mark here. This is the glue mark to attach 2 side pieces together. Don't fold here. We are going to glue them together like this. Next, we fold the top and the bottom glue tabs. All the tabs are folded now. Leave the 2 ends open for now. Fold the card in half. We are going to glue the side piece along the edge of the donut base. Apply glue to the glue tabs. Now the glue tab is done. Take time and make sure the side panel and the base align properly. Flip to the side or the back so we could see if any bits that stick out. Push back and adjust as you go. Add dab of glue to the end and seal the side. Now the glue is dry. We are going to add some glitters. Make sure the glue is dry before adding the glitters, otherwise some small glitters might get stuck with the base. Grab the oval frame and the acetate. Glue them together. Take it slow and steady. Don't let any glue marks get on the acetate. It is not easy to clean, so be gentle here. Apply glue on the top and put the acetate oval on. Take time here and make sure no glue marks get on the clear acetate. Tuck in any bits that are sticking out. Wipe extra glue off when necessary. Keep it as clean as possible. Put the shaker aside to dry. Don't flip it over yet. The glitters might stick on the acetate. Get the 3 topping layers and foam dots. It is up to you if you want to apply foam dots to all 3 layers. Here I choose not to use foam dots for the yellow piece, just the pink and the chocolate layers. Now the foam dots are done. Flip the pink piece over and stack on the yellow one. Make sure they align. Gentle tap, then the chocolate topping. Align all 3 layers and give it a gentle tap. Get back to the shaker and check if the glue is dry. Also check if the side is sealed properly. If not, glitters might leak out. Make sure the shaker top is facing up by opening the card to check. Once it's all good, I'm gonna glue the topping to the shaker. how cute is this donut shaker. I love the sound of it. Next, upload the box file to Design Space. It is pretty straightforward. The pink part is the box and the gray is clear acetate sheet. Here we have two pieces for the box. The acetate is not a square, it is wide and short rectangle. Make sure you have the right side up. Flip the box over and fold the dotted lines and the tabs on both ends. Once we've done the folding, apply glue around the window and attach the acetate. Give it a good press. Apply glue on the tabs and hold the lid together. Glue the box together. Make sure it closes up properly. Now you could write message in this cute donut shaker card and make someone feel special and sweet. We could also change the topping color to make different donuts. Hope you enjoyed this design. Thank you for watching.